Hi, I'm Tyler Philbrook from Party of 3Productions.com. Today we're going to answer the question, is how many followers you have on Facebook important in order to run Facebook ads? The very short answer to that is no. Let's look at this page. We have 357 follows. That's really nothing compared to so many others. But yet we can reach so many with Facebook ads, even with less followers than this. Let's take a look over at the Facebook Ads Manager. So in the Facebook Ads Manager, you can see here we have several different audiences, some below 1,000. We also have some at 4.1 million. How many of us would love to reach 4.1 million people? You can also create targeted audiences. So these audiences allow you to find people that follow certain aspects, whether they follow a certain group, whether they have certain spending habits, whether they have any other type of thing that you're searching for. You can create a targeted audience based off of that. And it doesn't really matter how many followers you have because that ad just goes to that whole list of people. So the followers don't matter at all when it comes to most of your ads. Now, let's talk about when it does matter. When you have a brand. Now, when you follow someone, that means that you want to see what's going on with them, with that specific brand. The same is true of our own followers. When we have followers, these are people who have chosen to follow us so they know who we are. Now, unfortunately, Facebook's has now significantly decreased the amount of organic traffic we get from our own followers, from the people who have chosen to follow us. So, what do we have to do? Unfortunately, it's now become a pay to play to reach our own followers. So that's what we have to do sometimes. Now, if it's something that Facebook sees is getting a lot of traction organically, they're going to continue to show that to more and more of your followers. And in fact, if there's something that's going really well, that tells you that that is something that you should put behind. You should put some money behind, because that means if it's getting good reach organically, it's going to get even better reach when you put some money behind it, because those people who've chosen to follow you are now going to see it even more. So if you have a lot of followers, it's great. But if you don't have a lot of followers, it's not a requirement in order to run Facebook ads. So I hope that answered your question. And if you have any, please reach out to me, TJ Philbrook at Party of 3Productions.com. Thank you.